Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, we are going to be sublimating on 100% cotton. I'm going to be making a cute Valentine's design. In fact, here is my design. And so we are going to use sublimation and glitter heat transfer vinyl. I have never done this before and I have been itching to sublimate on cotton shirts. So keep watching if you want to see the results. Okay, so what we're going to be using today, I have a blank pink shirt. It's so cute. This is from Love My Blanks. I'll put the link below. Very similar to ARB Blanks and Blanks Boutique. It's a new company. We are going to be using our Silhoutte Cameo 4 as well as my pink 15x15 Craft Pro heat press from Heat Press Nation and my Sawgrass SG1000 printer along with some butcher paper and heat transfer warehouse glitter vinyl, name of it. See how beautiful it is? So I'm so excited to try this today. So I've got my design printed. This was from Etsy. I'll link it below. So I mirrored it, I printed it, and now I've got to prep my vinyl to cut it on my silhouette. Okay, let's get started. So what I did was I imported my design. I'm gonna go up here to Object, Mirror, Flip Horizontally. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the butterfly button or the trace panel. I'm gonna select the trace area. I'm gonna trace it and I'm gonna do the threshold all the way up. Okay, and I'm gonna hit trace and then I'm gonna move this unicorn out of the way and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna go to the offset button. I'm gonna hit offset and I'm just gonna go down to 1, apply. There's my offset. So then I'm gonna take that and delete that trace. Okay, so I changed it to black so you could kind of see it. So you'll see it's just a smidge bigger than the unicorn. That's exactly what we want. We want it mirrored because it's HTV, so it has to be mirrored, okay? So that is how you get the design to cut and print. You are gonna have just a little bit of white around the outside. So what we're gonna do now is you are gonna move that picture to the side. You're gonna move your part wherever you want it on your mat, and then you cut that, okay? Then we're gonna put this one to the side and go to this one and print this design exactly how it is. Don't change the shape. We're gonna print it from here onto the sublimation printer. That way we don't mess up the dimensions, that sort of thing. And that's how you do it. Blows my mind how somewhat easy it was once you watched a good tutorial. So thank you, Crystal Ann, for the good tutorial. It really helped. So I hope this could help someone as well. Again, super easy. So you import, mirror, trace, bump it up so you get some of the noise out, offset just by 0.1, and then move it around so you can cut it and print it. All right, let's get on to the rest of the tutorial. Nice and fresh. This is the Siser White Glitter HTV, and so I'm gonna put shiny side down on my mat. Let's take this off the mat. Okay, there is the vinyl. Okay, let's see how close I am. Okay, so I printed straight from Silhouette Studio. I figured out how to mirror it before I printed it. That was my biggest struggle. So now I'm just going to cut as close as I can and see if it's close to fitting on the HTV. So let me cut this out and then we'll check back in. Yay, I think it worked. Okay, so there's my image. And then there it is. I did it. Okay, so I have my heat press set at 315 because we are going to transfer this heat transfer vinyl to the shirt first, and then we're gonna sublimate, okay? So here's my two things. Here's my glitter heat transfer. So first I'm gonna heat my shirt, okay? And I probably am gonna use a T-padded. I just prefer to use those with my kids' shirts. It's just easier. Okay, do like 10 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to take this. I'm gonna take my heart, find my center, and how cute! There is that. So I have it. It's a little wonky. It's a lot higher than I typically would go, but because that horn is in the way, I figured it needed to be a little higher. Okay, so going to take my Teflon sheet. I'm at 315. I'm gonna do like a 10-second press just to adhere it, and then we're gonna bump up our heat to, I think, 385. Let me check. I'll check back with you. And we're gonna sublimate for like 45 seconds, okay? Okay, so now, oh my gosh, okay. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bump up my heat. Okay, 385, okay? And now I'm gonna place my image on, line it up as good as I can. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be adorable. And I'm gonna tape using some heat resistant tape, okay? Because I don't want this to move, okay? So I feel like I'm good. Again, my first time, so. Okay. So I'm gonna let it heat up and I'm gonna check my temp and I'll be right back. Okay, so I heated it up. So I've got it taped and I'm gonna put some butcher paper on top because it's sublimation and you don't wanna get the bleed through, okay? So are you ready? We're gonna do probably 45, 50 seconds, okay? Okay, are you ready? I'm gonna stop it at about 45.5, okay? Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, I'm gonna gently try to take it up. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. Okay, so my mind is blown. So for my first try, I think I did a pretty good job. I do see a smidge of discoloration right here. So I'm not sure what that's from, but I am so happy with this. What do you think? Comment below. Have you ever tried sublimating onto HTV glitter vinyl? Let me know in the comments below. You should definitely try it. Don't be scared. Just give it a try. So I will link everything I used today in the description box below. I mean, I still can't get over that there's white sublimation on this cotton shirt. And if you have any tips or tricks, again, this was the first time today that I've done this. If you have tips and tricks on like times, because did I sublimate it too long or too less? Let me know your tips and tricks if you've done this before. All right, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe. And until next time, bye for now.